Alright, YouTube, welcome to an awesome video. Sorry about that, let me just pull this down. Just before I start this video, yes, I am wearing a tank. I'm wearing a tank shirt because it's really hot today, but we're going to have an unboxing today. Alright, yes, we know how we like unboxings, but first, before we unbox this right here is what we're going to be unboxing. But before we do that, we have to do it right, though. Sorry about that. Yes, I know YouTube, I'm wearing sleeveless, but, you know, like I said, try to keep it down as much as possible because I don't want to... If I have to age restrict this, that's fine. If YouTube can do that, that's fine. But, you know, before we unbox this, we're going to do this right. We're going to present it. We're going to... Well, whatever we unbox, we present first before we unbox. So here we go. Alright, awesome. Presenting is done. We just pull the chanter out just to kind of empty the bag a little bit. Normally I don't do YouTube videos with me wearing tank tops, but so I came down to, but here we go. This is what we're unboxing. Move up so I can see it. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. I think it opens up like this. Oh. Gotta remove some of the sticky tape. There we go. Set that right there. And let's see if there's any more on the side. There is. Okay. Oh, sorry about the background noise, everyone. Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright, here we go. And let me see if there's any more. Oh, there we go. We can open it either way. We can open it from here. Oh, I think there's still some tape on there. Oh, no, we're good. This. There we go. And we'll pull this out. Oh, look at that, YouTube. Look at... Whoa. Alright, this is going to look awesome. It's RGB, so that's awesome. Oh, nice. Look at that, YouTube. Alright, let's see how this works. Okay, this must be the bottom. Let's see. Okay, it's got a USB power plug. It's got two modes. Alright, sorry about the background noise, everyone. It's got a little care manual for it. Let's see what else we got. I'm going to set this right here. Oh, it comes off something. Okay, let me just put that back on. That's weird. I don't know what that's supposed to do. It's like this top part comes off or something. Oh, what else we got? Do we have anything else in here? Yes, we do. We have... Okay, looks like we have a cord for it. That's good. It has a USB to normal 1/8" power. Sorry about the noise, everyone. And then we just open this. Oh, it's a very long cord. That's neat. So it's USB powered. And I do believe that this part plugs in to here. Yep. And let's see what we've got on here. Okay, we have a power button, which I think is this red one right here. And we have, before we do that, let's plug it into a power source. Alright, let me just move this out of the way, YouTube. I know, sorry about all the, like I said in the video, it's, okay, I'm just going to disconnect that for a minute. We're going to test it out. Alright, so into the socket. Comes the USB. There. Okay. Ooh, nice. Red, green, blue, yellow, magenta. Oh, okay. That's cool. Alright, there's red. And, alright. And there's green. There's blue. There's yellow. There's cyan. Oh, right, cyan light. And I think this top comes off because I think... Alright, well, that's cool. Well, that looks so cool, YouTube. Alright. And I think this top comes off because you have to put something... I don't think it does that, but I guess that's for, like, the projection. Alright, YouTube, there we go. Alright. Gonna put that back in. Alright, YouTube, there we go. And yes, sorry about all the, like I said, if YouTube age restricts it, that's fine, but again, sorry that I was wearing a tank shirt and all that stuff, but there we go. Alright, well, I'll put this right here, and then, well, that is awesome. You'll get to see some colors and presenting. Now again, we will, if I do a night video and I happen to have my pipes out again, I'll present it, do it right, just like a Scottish burn supper. Alright, there we go. Just put all this stuff in there. Alright, that is awesome. Alright, there we go, YouTube. That is my new jellyfish RGB lamp. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching and more to come later.